Welcome to Body Healthy Elements. Drinking water has many benefits, from helping you improve your fitness performance to alleviating common diseases such as constipation and headaches. With this in mind, there are a few people in the world who have limited water supplies, but people still ignore the importance of water. Now, what if you only drink water for 20 days and nothing else? What mean? This means not drinking all beverages, including tea, caffeine, carbonated drinks, etc. But, of course, the results can only be beneficial. In today's video, we will share with you what happens to your body when you replace all drinks with water only for 20 days. What happens if you replace all drinks with water? 1. Improved weight loss. Drinking water is one of the most effective ways to lose weight these days. Not to mention that this is a zero-calorie natural remedy. When water replaces the intake of sweetened beverages and alcoholic drinks, it can promote your metabolism. Finally, you lose weight at a faster rate. 2. You flush out toxins from your body. Drinking too much soda or soft drinks can damage your kidneys. The kidneys are responsible for eliminating toxins and waste from the body. By drinking only water, these organs can play their best role in expelling toxins, thereby helping the kidneys to perform better. In short, water keeps your body and system clean from the inside out. 3. Your muscles have better endurance and flexibility. The importance of water in our bodies cannot be emphasized enough. Many people are unaware of the fact that water accounts for a large part of our muscle composition. Water helps to absorb and retain the essential minerals to keep bones strong and healthy. Drinking water for only 20 days can improve muscle endurance and flexibility. 4. You have a stronger heart. Another powerful benefit of drinking water is that it keeps your heart healthy. That's because it can lower blood pressure and prevent thickening of the blood, thereby reducing the risk of heart attack. Even drinking a glass of water an hour before bed can help prevent heart disease or stroke. 5. Your attention and concentration are clearer. Excessive consumption of carbonated drinks can cause dehydration and cause brain imbalance. This can lead to problems such as brain fatigue, depression, poor memory, and bad mental clarity. By drinking water all the time, you can eliminate all the negative effects of these drinks. Most importantly, your concentration and storage capabilities have been improved. 6. Reduce the effects of aging. A hydrated skin decelerates the aging process. Water can moisturize the skin, making it plump, soft, youthful, and wrinkle-free. It can also maintain your muscle tone. Therefore, if you have recently felt older than your age due to stress, please consider spa treatments for 20 days. You will be surprised by the improvement in appearance. If you want to stay young and live as long as possible, drinking the right amount of water will definitely help. As you can see, water benefits your body in many ways, from keeping our vital organs healthy to increasing muscle elasticity and even slowing down the aging process. With all of this in mind, you may need to think about it and weigh your options the next time you feel a headache. You can buy soda from a vending machine, but why can you save a few dollars and then take a sip from the water dispenser? In the long run, it will bring big benefits to your body. Do you know the other health benefits associated with drinking water every day? Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you like our videos, please like them and share them with your friends so that we can continue to make them. If you want to know more about our channel, Body Healthy Elements, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Also, please be sure to watch our other videos at the same time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.